Okay, question number 10. A block of ice of mass m is at its melting point. This mass m is melting point. The smaller mass m of water at temperature T degree. So this is m here. If the top of surface of the ice and remains safe. Okay, specific heat latent oxidation of ice L, and the specific heat of water C. Okay, what mass of ice melt? Why should the ice melt? Ice melts because now this is giving you some amount of energy. Okay, what mass of ice melts? Which means what? Only a part of the ice melts here because it doesn't give you so much amount of energy. So what we do is, let me consider that only x mass of the ice melts over here. Okay, so therefore x mass of the ice melts, and you multiply this by L, you get the energy which is being gained by the water. It should now be equal to mc into delta T. X mass of ice over here, what mass of ice melts is nothing but mc delta T divided by capital T. So is the answer mc delta T. There is no delta T, this T over here. The answer should be